Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author and cartoonist, author of many books and drawing cartoons. And today I'd like to let you in on some secrets, some hints from my Super Hint series where I show you some character design features. I'm going to show you how to draw a bad guy today and give you maybe more hints than I usually do and see if that helps. So you can draw your own bad guys. We're going to start with the bad guy's head shape. Now, bad guys come in all shapes and sizes. This one comes in an egg shape because I'm going to make his head bald. So generally, you want to simplify your character. That's the first hint. Simplify it. Second, you want to make him seem tough and a little uncomfortable. So I'm going to start his neck here. That's his shoulders. Actually, no neck at all. So already, he's funny. I mean, you see how you start funny and then you fill in everything. So here is the center line. And the eye line is going to go kind of high on the head. Now, as you may know, the eyes are actually, in a realistic person, halfway down the head, exactly halfway down the head. But cartoon characters are often high on the head or low on the head. Cute, low, high, evil. This is going to be evil. So we're going to start with the nose because that kind of dictates where all the placement is for the other features. And it's going to be a little bit like a beak because it's got to be sharp. If he's a bad guy, there's nothing soft about him. All right, so here we're going to give him a half-closed eye, kind of severe, looking at us like this. Now, what is it that you notice about this guy's eye that's different from what you might have expected? He's looking right at us, and yet the pupil is further to the left. Why does it look like he's looking at us? Because most cartoon characters are drawn with slightly crossed eyes, so that translates into a look directly at us. Here, we'll give it a little eyebrow crease right there. And we're going to put a patch, an eye patch here, right over the center of the eye line. Now, this is how you draw an eye patch, by the way. You don't make it too big and not too small, sort of medium look. Too small and it just doesn't make an impact. If it's too big, it loses its impact because it's all over the place. The main thing, though, is it wraps around the top of the head to the corner and then lower here. Otherwise, if it goes right like this, it creates the look of a hat. It's not a hat. You do not want it to look like a hat. Now, let's give him a crooked smile. For a crooked smile, you go down first and curl it up high near the eye. See that? And to really emphasize it, you put the top of the mouth like this, and maybe just a bottom lip indicated like that. See that? That's good. I'm going to also add a little bit more to the upper eyelid, or actually that's the eyebrow by now, and a little bit of that demonic sort of, shadow under the eye. All right, give him really small ears just below the shoulders, like this. And I will give him some kind of technological listening device. Now curve it in front of him. If you just make it straight, it's going to look too flat. It's like, what happened to it? And a little bit of a coil for the chin. These are all devices. None of this is realistic stuff, but it all works. And let's now make a really thick outline because it emphasizes the character. For me, I just press down harder. And on top of the head too, like this, all around, including shoulders. I'll give him lapels, like so. A little bit of a collar coming through. A tie, and we will have it. You can also give him a little bit of scar if you want. It's kind of funny. We know he's not really scary, but he's fun. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that little lesson on character design and that you'll subscribe to my channel and get all my new videos for free. All right, take care. Bye-bye.